Hey there folks, this is James with the Anything Project. Today we're working on the Llama bus. Some of you might be familiar with this extravagant beast that loves mountains and rocks and climbing and just all around good things. Today's project involves a bit of demolition, but to boldly go where no llama has gone before. Today we'll learn how to install a washing machine door on the back of your little short bus here, with the added help of electricity from your friend's trusty homestead. This is going to be a transformational gateway into a brain washing machine. Let's see how it goes. First things first, I got some fancy dancy plans drawn up. We got our handy dandy measuring tape. We must align our sketch and measurements to the three-dimensional space before us. Start date, December 22nd, 2017. New Year's on a rise. We've got our measurements. We're gonna do some little cuts here. I got a little saw. I'm gonna do this as simple as possible. I was thinking about making a whole frame as if it was gonna be a real door, but it's just minimal aesthetic. It's theater. This is a prop. It's not actually gonna be weight bearing. So it can be simple. I'm making this simple. Use less materials. It's the idea that's coming through here, and it will be very functional. So let's do some business. So we're clamped in. We're gonna drill some holes. We're using these self-tapping screws. Yeah, I think the general idea is we're gonna make a little frame. Probably just gonna do this one piece for now. It's getting dark, and I can build the door itself out of the pieces over there. The plan right now is that we're gonna use the Sawzall, and we're gonna cut out a piece of this so that the washer door goes inside the hole that we cut out, and the plywood will be the frame, and there might be some odd pieces that are cut away to make that fit inside, so we're gonna do a little sprucing up with that. And then we got some hinges, and shazam, opening door. We're also gonna make a door down low here that just also is on a hinge that you can pull up, so you won't see that during the show. This is the intro to our brain washing machine. Bus Tour 2018, coming to a town near you. Check this out. Now that's what I call cool. Porthole entry to your very own brainwashing station. Installation commencing soon. Alright, here we are wrapping up. Got dark out, but check this out. How cool. What is it? Wow. It's a porthole to another dimension. Whoa. Oh my goodness gracious. It's amazing when things actually come out of your mind and are out there in the real world. Hope you guys look forward to the insanity that will take place this wonderful 2018. Let's rock it out on the Llama bus. Peace. Check this out. I also wanted to show you my little mod I did. So recording this art maker day. I modded this GoPro holder because my GoPro got stolen, so they make it fuck the GoPro, mod your own shit. See, yeah, just put it together, put a bolt in it, put a rubber band around it, and I've had this strapped to my wrist all day while working, so I could listen to music and make these videos. Super easy.